Right, so I'm going to get started with my side dishes. And I thought a little greenery on the plate is always really nice, especially if you have all these colors going. So I thought, what do I use today? And I have picked up some young asparagus. Best way to serve it is literally on its own. How do we do that? Well, we grab a small pan, we grab some water, get our pan on a high flame and pour some water in. Get that water to boil super fast. I'm going to take the ends of the asparagus. You could shave them, but I just think it's super easy to just take the ends off, keep the tips intact. In they go. And they're going to boil for about 3 minutes max. Now, next step, the other side dish. Potatoes that I've already boiled. And just sort of make them smaller. Super hot green chili, because everything should have, you know, a continuity of flavor. Just going to slice the green chili up quite finely. And that goes. Slice up to, you know, 1 large spring onion, quite fine. Very rustic. And that's it. My asparagus is done. I'm just going to pop them there to the side and let them stay warm. Okay, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Also, potatoes take in salt, so you've got to add a little bit more. 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. And then take the lid off the olive oil, because you're going to need loads, and pour in about 1/2 cup. Okay, then grab your fork and just get mashing. Right, so you've mashed it till all the potato is well blended. Keep it slightly bitty, because it's, you know, it's a very rustic or easy potato to have. So that's it. Potatoes are done, the asparagus is done, and our sauce is ready. All we're doing is waiting for the chicken to come out of the oven so we can plate up and, well, hopefully try the fantastic chicken mole poblano. Well, that's chicken mole poblano for you in a nutshell. Let's see what the fuss is all about. Well, the lovely thing about this is that the sauce encrusts onto the chicken, so you've already got this fantastic coating coming through, which is going to be very interesting because it's actually going to be crunchy. Okay, time for the test. Chicken is done beautifully well, sauce is on. I dare say, I think that's excellent. And not to blow my own trumpet, actually what it is that you think that the chocolate's going to make the sauce very sweet, but in fact it's not. The chilies are core, and there's this very warm, peppery flavor, which is all the chilies, the earthy tones of the chilies coming through. And that's perfect with the chicken, because the chicken's crunchy and coated on the outside and crisp with all those fresh flavors. Let's see how the potatoes go with the sauce as well. I'm going to dip it into the main dish. And they're light and refreshing. The spring onion coming through, it's like bursts of flavor in my mouth. And I have to say, I think chicken mole poblano is a hit. Well, Sophie, I hope you enjoyed this, because I'm really enjoying eating this, and you should try it at home, because this marriage of chili and chocolate is very, very interesting. And of course, it's not just, you know, sort of synonymous to chicken. You can use it with different meats, and if you look into old Aztec and Mayan and Incan and South American recipes, you'll find a lot of use of chocolate. Now, for all of you other guys out there, remember, like Sophie, you can contact me via Facebook, send in an SMS, send in an email, or contact me on Twitter, and I will cook you anything you want from any cuisine. But now I'm going to go back to my chicken mole, and I'll see you next week. Take care.